Right, Abhishek, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I was born in Bikaner. I have done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalayas. After that, I did my BTech in electrical engineering from Babu Banarsi Das Northern India Institute of Technology, Lucknow, which comes under AKTU. And for the last 3 years, I have been preparing for Central Armed Police Forces and along with that CSC. And today I am sitting in front of you for my mock interview for CAPF.
All right. What are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are reading books and playing badminton.
What is the scoring system in badminton?
So internationally it is score of 21 points, and for women it is 3 games, and for men it is 5 games.
Who is the present national champion of men and women?
So presently in international arena I think it's K. Srikanth, but national champion I am unable to recall.
Any Olympic achievement for the badminton in India?
Yes sir. In the Rio Olympics, PV Sindhu has won silver medal for India.
What books you read?
So recently I have read the Paramount Cop. It is a book on KPS Gill written by Rahul Chandan, and before that I read Bihar Diaries by Amit Lodha sir.
Tell me something about KPS Gill.
Sir, Gill sir was responsible for bringing an end to Punjab insurgency. He was an IPS officer of Agmut cadre.
So what did he do?
What did he do? Sir, he adopted a different approach from conventional method of policing. He was not a believer in Naka and all that, and he adopted an aggressive stance towards the insurgents in Punjab insurgency crisis.
Is he connected to hockey?
Sorry sir?
Is he connected to hockey?
Yes sir.
What did he do with hockey?
I think he was appointed as chairman of Indian Hockey Federation.
How are your marks trends in from 10th to 12th and graduation? And if there is any downward trend, it is why? From 9.5 CGPA to 8 to then 670% of in graduation. Any reason for this downward trend? You didn't maintain the standards?
Actually sir, I think I did fairly good, but in college I explored different things, because of which if I compare my schooling marks, especially with my 10th marks, they are a little bit low.
What different thing you did in college?
Sir, I was involved in extracurricular activities. I was part of a cultural forum of my college, Ojaswa, and apart from that I also pursued lawn tennis during college days.
What cultural things you did in college?
Sir, I was involved in organizing events, like we conducted a program named as Jashn, in which we hosted gully cricket, and for hosting these type of event there was a lot of tasks assigned to us, like advertising about the event, then establishing desk points at different spots in the college, and ultimately conducting the event.
You have a sports festival coming up in college, and you are in charge for the function.
Yes sir.
What are the activities you will do 10 days, D-10?
Okay sir, firstly I will plan with my team, then I will allocate different tasks to different members of my team, and accordingly we will also arrange for the finances from different sponsors. We will reach them, and finally we will hire all the essential requirements like staging equipments and other things which are needed in the function.
Your father is deputy commandant.
Yes sir.
In which organization?
Sir, he was deputy commandant in CRPF.
But you have given a first priority to simple industries reports. Why?
So because I perceive CISF offers different domains to learn for an individual, and I want to explore new things. I have seen a life of CRPF with my father's career, so I want to explore different domains. And I am not a very averse to joining CRPF also.
Life of the CRPF person is tough way than a CISF.
No sir.
Is it main causes for of the one for Central Industrial Security Force?
Sir, we cannot compare it like that, but both are equally challenging, but their domains are different.
Why not CRPF?
So I am ready to serve in CRPF also.
Why not you have given first priority to CRPF? I am asking that question.
Sir,
Because your
if
father-
given a chance, I
because
would.
your father is commandant in CRPF.
Yes sir.
So you may be inspired from your father. So it may be possible you have given first priority to CRPF rather than CISF, but you have given first priority to CISF.
Yes sir, I like the nature of jobs in which CISF is deployed, and the variability of the job that CISF does. It is what aspires me to join that organization.
What is the basic differences between the work of CISF and CRPF?
So CRPF is majorly deployed in internal security duties like riots, communal disharmony, or insurgency situations in different parts of the country.
How do you
While
think about the internal security problem?
sir,
What
internal
kinds of internal security problems present in our country?
at present,
Yeah.
sir, at present the foremost thing is the standoff with the China in the Ladakh.
That is internal security or external security problem?
So that is an external and internal security both problem. China can create problems in by its cyber warfare. It can create any issues in internal security problem also, but majorly it is an external security problem. Apart from that, we have communal disharmony in the country.
Tell me on internal security, major internal security problem in our country.
Yes, sir. So major internal security problems are cyber threats. Then we have cyber threats, cyber attacks or cyber threats.
Right?
Then communal disharmony in the society.
Right.
Then
This is major or this is minor? I am asking major internal security problem.
so I perceive them.
I give you option
Yes, sir.
to give priority about major internal security problem in our country. So cyber, that is first priority.
No, sir. If we consider major security, first one is insurgency and terrorism in different parts of the country. Second one is left-wing extremism, and third one is I think communal disharmony, and then we can proceed towards cyber attacks and new emerging challenges in security domains.
So when we look out about the internal security problem in Middle India travel dominated area and Northeast travel dominated area, so what the major differences between these two areas is facing internal security problem?
So Northeast was a hotbed of insurgency, and it was started with Naga insurgency. But in Middle Indian region, we are facing left-wing extremism, which is based on the ideology of Maoism, and they are following.
What is Maoism? What is the basic ideology behind Maoism?
So Maoism wants the resources to be shared between the common people. It is based on communist ideology.
Which types of resources?
So land,
Industrial resources?
river, water, forest, all these type of, and industry also.
Also?
No sir, industry. I don't know sir.
Okay. Or in Northwest?
So Northeast, they Naga people initially wanted to have their own state, their own nation.
Why?
So because of the policy adopted.
What is behind that?
So it was basically the policy of isolation which was followed by Britishers. They didn't let them mingle with the people of the mainland India, and for the past 200 years they have remained isolated. So they initially were susceptible about the Indian nation. So secondly, they were also influenced by external agents, like China was influencing them, supporting them in the initial days.
China was,
Myanmar,
at first, Britishers were also supporting them or not?
yes sir, Britishers were also supporting them. Christian missionaries were supporting them. They were influencing their mindset.
So what types of problems we are facing in western border area and northern border area
Northern border area, it means
related to China
Tibet.
and
Okay sir. In western border area there are issues of smuggling, cross-border infiltration of terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, and dropping of weapons through UAVs. In the northern sector we have challenge with weather, then terrain is very difficult, and
recently
yes sir.
there is an important internal security problem arises in Rajasthan
Yes sir.
due to unemployment.
Sorry sir, I was not able to follow it.
Recently, there is big internal security problem arises in some area of Rajasthan, that the youth demanding job.
Yes sir.
Have you idea?
Sir, I am unable to recall the present context, but there have been demands for jobs by youth from different sections of our country, different regions of our country, and
So unemployment will be become an important factor for internal security problem.
yes sir. Yes sir, it will and it is becoming a problem for internal security, because a lot of people unemployed would be easy catch for other people who want to utilize them or misuse them in their own interests.
Which place would like to be posted if you get selected for CISF?
Sir, I am ready to serve in any part of our country.
What are the three things that you would like to do for Rajasthan? Suppose you're given a chair of Chief Minister as a leader. Imagine yourself in that place for 1 year. What will you do for Rajasthan? Three things in priority.
Sir, I would like to think upon it.
You like to?
I would like to think upon it for a while.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I would firstly promote water conservation and rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan, because groundwater table is depleting there. Secondly, I would ensure women empowerment through different schemes, and third is I would promote industrialization in the state.
Tell me three famous kings of Rajasthan and their traditional valors, in case something you know. One of them.
So Maharana Pratap, he was not indominated by Akbar. Then we have Maharaja Ganga Singh of Bikaner. He was Order of the Knight of British Crown, and Rana Sangha of Udaipur.
Have you gone to any mountain?
Yes, sir.
What is the height where you climbed? What is the name of the mountain?
Sir, I went with my family to Amarnath cave. I think it is 3408 meters.
How many feet?
So sorry, I'm not able to convert it. I'm not able to recall the
What is your
exact.
weight?
So my weight is 67 kgs.
How many pounds?
Sorry, sir.
Height?
So 165 centimeters. Sorry, sir. 166.5 centimeters.
Meters?
1.65 meters.
And feet?
Feet. It is. Sorry, sir.
You are staying in Khordha in Odisha, right?
Yes, sir.
And pin code is 751006.
Yes, sir.
What does this pin code denote? Can you explain and how it is structured in India?
Sir, I don't know the exact thing, but I can tell you something if you allow me.
Please.
Sir, these pin codes are based on post office which are located in different regions of our country, and each post office is allocated a pin code.
Okay. So what will be the pin code of Delhi?
Sir, different regions of Delhi have different pin codes. Suppose I live in Patel Nagar.
Which digit it will start in Delhi?
So 1.
1. Which is 2?
Sorry?
Which is 2?
Sir, I don't know.
3?
Sir, my hometown has a 331018.
Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
4?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. These are, logical. If you look at it, they are logical.
Okay, sir.
Whether geography, distance or history is concerned.
Sir, I will look upon it.
Yes. How do you look at Indo-Nepal situation presently, and what are the conflicts arising in current days?
So India and Nepal have historical ties. They have roti-beti correlation, and in the present context, after the abrogation of Article 370, India released its new maps through Survey General of India, and in that reaction, Nepal has claimed certain territories which are under Indian occupation, but they have claimed that they are their own territory in their own maps, and which has created a problem with India. And recently, I think our foreign minister has visited Nepal and tried to resolve the problem.
What is the area of dispute as of now? Where is it? Put up the atlas and change the map.
No, sir.
Which is the area which is under dispute?
Sir, it is.
as claimed by Nepal.
It is. There are 3 regions: Lipu Lake, Limpiadhura, and Kalimantan, which is claimed by Nepal as their own. But we have our army post on that ground.
Tell me 3 parts of refrigerator in your house.
So freezer, its door, and condenser.
How does the flip work? It is something which compresses the air.
Yes, sir.
What is that called?
Sir.
Main part which is the dabba behind the fridge
Yes, sir. Condenser.
or compressor.
Yes, sir. We can call it compressor also.
Condenser and compressor is same.
Sir, as far as I can recall, I think they are both synonymous.
You are electrical engineer.
Yes, sir.
What are the 3 things written on the bulb? Any bulb?
Sir, it ratings, voltage, capacity, and current.
Rating,
Rating means power, wattage.
voltage, capacity,
Yes, sir.
power,
And current.
can you tell me the example?
Sir, it's 220 volts, 5 ampere, and it would be around 1100
5
watts.
ampere.
Yes, sir. 5 ampere.
Ampere is written on the bulb.
Sir, I'm not able to recall.
I am asking electrical engineer, I should be knowing from you.
Yes, sir. But sorry, sir, I am not able to
You
recall
said
it.
power,
Yes,
you
sir.
said current.
Yes, sir. Voltage also.
Voltage is current. Okay, voltage is voltage. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Power you said. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
third thing it is?
So it's either current or frequency.
Frequency.
Yes, sir.
50 hertz.
Yes, sir.
That's important.
Yes, sir.
I am asking electrical engineer. I have to be very, very sure about what we are talking.
Sorry, sir.
Right? Okay. If you are not selected in this examination, what is your next plan?
Sir, I have appeared in the recent civil services pre, and then also, if I am not selected in this, also I will.
This is your last chance, or you have chances?
Sir, in CAPF it is my last chance. It is my third attempt, and in CSC I can give other attempts.
So, what happened to last two written examination of CAPF?
Sir, I was not able to clear the cutoffs for written.
So you feel you lack knowledge or you lack motivation? Where do you lack?
Sir, in my first attempt, I think I lacked knowledge. In my second attempt, I lacked the confidence during the exam. I was very conscious that I should not go for negatives, and in that I attempted less number of questions, and we all appear in an exam with a 20% loss, so I was not able to clear the cutoff.
Who's the role model of your life?
So my father is my role model.
This bottle, other than water drinking, can you use any other means to use it other than drinking water? Tell me 3-4 ways to use this bottle of water other than drinking.
So we can use it for a table salt spray by piercing holes on the top of the bottle. Then we can use it for bringing petrol if our vehicles are empty or fuel tank is empty. And other than that, 2 uses हो गए. So we can collect some coins also in this, or some any small items which are difficult to find in other areas.
Do you drink?
No, sir.
Between love marriage and arranged marriage, what is your opinion?
So I don't think about that in the present context, but I think whatever would be the life has or destiny has thought about me would be fine for me.
How will you motivate your subordinates in CISF in case there is a failure in your security arrangements and people have been casual?
Sir, I will first of all went to the person who are injured or who have lost their lives. I will meet their families, and I will first of all motivate them, and then I come to my soldiers and tell them that it is part of our job and we should not lose hope. And because we are here, we were able to save other lives, though we have lost few of our men, and it is a time of grief for us, and we should not lose hope and be motivated and ensure protection towards our country.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, please wait outside, we'll call you for a deal.
Thank you, sir.